Have you ever wondered why the second heart sound, or S2, sometimes splits into two? The second heart sound occurs when the aortic and pulmonary valves close. Normally, they close almost together, but during inspiration, something interesting happens. During inspiration, two key changes occur. 1. Venous return to the right heart increases. This means the right ventricle takes longer to pump blood, delaying pulmonary valve closure, P2. 2. Venous return to the left heart decreases, so the left ventricle pumps faster, causing the aortic valve, A2, to close earlier. This creates the classic split second heart sound you hear during inspiration, as A2 and P2 happen at different times. In some heart conditions like atrial septal defect or bundle branch blocks, this splitting can become fixed, wide, or even paradoxical. And that's why S2 splits during the cardiac cycle. Subscribe for more quick medical insights.